HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, how are you today? We're going to draw a toothpaste and a toothbrush. Do you brush your teeth? I hope you do. It's very important to brush your teeth every day. So we're doing a nice happy tooth with a smiley face looking up towards the tube of toothpaste, which has squeezed a little bit of toothpaste on the tooth's head. Oh, look, it looks like a little bit of hair. The toothpaste tube is also very happy and looking right back at Mr. Tooth. Some eyelashes, here's some stripes. Time for the toothbrush. The bristles and the handle. And there you have it, ready to darken the border. And ready to paint. We're going to do the tooth a nice pastel-y blue colour. Now you can stick to white if you like, or you can be creative and make it a rainbow tooth. Perhaps a sparkly tooth. So we're just carefully painting around the facial features, not wanting to go over any of those black lines. There you go. And around the mouth. So a little bit of care taken here. And then just fill the rest in, nice and easy. When you reach the bottom border, just again be careful to stay in between the black lines. There. Finishing touches. Excellent. Let's paint in the toothpaste, shall we? Lovely and orange. It's nice in a painting to have a contrast of bright and more pale colours. Contrast is when two things are different or even opposite. Again, painting around the facial features and in between our stripes. Now, can anyone tell me when should you brush your teeth? That's right! We should brush our teeth last thing at night before we go to bed, and on one other occasion every day. Maybe when you wake up, maybe after breakfast. When do you brush your teeth? Lovely yellow stripe there. How long do you think we should brush our teeth for? 2 minutes! That's right, we should brush our teeth for 2 minutes each time to make sure they are sparkly clean. This gorgeous yellow colour against the orange. And then a blue lid. Let's do pink toothpaste. Perhaps it's strawberry flavour. Have you ever tried strawberry flavoured toothpaste? It's lovely. We're going to go for that same royal blue for our toothbrush as we have on the lid of the toothpaste. Excellent. Great. Little bit of shine on the tooth. It's nice and shiny because of all that brushing you've been doing. Perfecting the eyes and the mouth. Adding some eyebrows. And there you have it. Brilliant.